Hi, my name is Daniel Schrader, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find the top 10 largest files in your Linux server's file system. So you're a Linux server administrator and you've been alerted that one or more file systems on the servers that you manage has been filled up. So you want to find out what the biggest offending files are so that you can remove them or copy them to another location. So the way that we're going to approach this problem is in traditional Unix fashion. We're going to use multiple tools that do one thing well, and we're going to string them together to complete a very complex task. The commands that we're going to be using are find, du, sort, and head. Let's get started. So with the find command, we're going to find all the files under the /file system, or the root of the server's file system. The type of files we're going to find are regular files, so no directory files, named pipes, anything like that. The size of the files are going to be any file that's greater than 1024 kilobytes, or 1 megabyte in size. Next, we're going to use the exec operator to execute the du command on each of the files that find finds. And du is going to output those files in kilobytes so that we can numerically sort those numbers and list them in reverse order, which is what we want. So in descending order from largest file to smallest file. So next we're going to send errors to the server's bit bucket so that our output won't be muddled. We're going to pipe the output to sort, -n for numeric, and R for reverse. Next we're going to pipe that output to head, which will give us the first 10 lines of its input. Let's execute this command. Excellent. So we have 10 files listed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, as we can see here, most all these files are coming from one file system, the stg02 file system. So we have this .qcow2, which is a QEMU, a copy on write virtual disk file for a virtual machine. And we see that its size is over 17 gigabytes. So next we have some archive files, and again several gigabytes in size, and then we see that the size of the files is getting less and less and less as we read down the list. So this is a highly useful command. This is the best way to find large files in your Linux server's file system in order to remove them or move them somewhere else so that you can free up disk space. This command is very long and it's difficult to memorize, so it's best put in a shell script file so that you can execute it repetitively when needed. Thank you.